So I paid 1500 for this particular room. It has a balcony which has coriander little garden, followed by stairs and a couple of, hi, you see me there. The balcony, I can literally pluck these little apples. Okay. And of course the view. Oh my god. And this is how the other rooms look like. Let's take you inside the room. Little table, some TV set, little space to hold the luggage. Then we have the bed. Then we have a nice little double bed. It had a makdi there, but we threw it off. And a couple of sofas and a beautiful balcony with a lovely view. Something I'm looking forward to. And this is how the washroom looks like. Pretty well spaced. Hi again.